This is the center of Epic Universe. It seems chill. Yesterday I was here waiting on one ride for 3 hours. Cue the clip. And the rest of the day was insane. Today, I woke up not feeling really good physically because I was so tired. I actually walked 25,000 steps, actually, and I'm extremely tired. But I woke up this morning asking myself, can I have a chill day at Epic? Let's find out. A combination with this land alone and the Florida heat, probably not, but we're here. And then I paid for this ticket a year ago, and yeah. Like, as soon as you walk in, there's a coffin. I don't know why there's a coffin. Actually, I do know why. It's monsters. What am I saying? Last night, I was here and I got a crazy picture of this fountain, and I'm gonna put it up right now. Crazy, right? So these are the boys. We come here often. We chill, have beer, do things. It's Billy, Bob, and Billy Bob. And I'm Alan, of course. I don't know why I'm doing this. I thought it'd be funny, and it's clearly not working. And I don't know who she is. She's new here. Step one, embrace the calm Florida weather. Just stand here, enjoy the trees, all the air, the hot Florida air, blazing on your back here. I'm very hot and I'm sweaty, and I don't know, this is giving off the most calm vibes here, so I'm gonna check this out. I caved and I ordered myself a Long Island Diet Lay. As you can see, it's cleared. I took this chill day kind of serious. This is gonna be my job for today. So of course, I had to start drinking at 12 p.m. You know, it's the afternoon, right? It counts. I think it counts. I decided to choose the most creepiest place in the Epic Universe. Look at this hallway. Those are team members right there. Even they look terrifying. And whatever that is in the back, don't want nothing to do with it. But you know, here we are. Bro, look at this thing. It's insane. There's another one there. There's more knives. What is this? I don't even want to look at this. This is insane. I took this calm day a little too serious, and somehow I ended up in Burke. I might drink the water. No, I won't. That was somebody else. No, that wasn't funny. I also think it's time to make use of this Freestyle Cup. I am sweating. The chances of me jumping in that fountain, very high. I want to jump in. Found myself some seating. You know, it's crazy because today's the second day, and there's already tickets being sold. I was here yesterday, felt like poop. Now I'm back again. Also feeling like poop, but I don't want to waste my money. Here we are. I'm chilling, I look awkward, but we're vibing. Chill is possible. All right, people of Burke, you put this here for me to conquer, and I'm gonna conquer. It's gonna make a noise on the first try. Here we go. No. Oh. I've summoned all the Burkonians. So right now I chose the most unchill area in the entire park to conquer. I am sitting in Toadstool Cafe, and it is insane as you can hear by the noise. I ordered myself a salad. I ordered a superstar chicken salad, grilled chicken, mushrooms, cabbage greens, tossed with a creamy mushroom truffle dressing and Parmesan. Not only is this the most crowded area in Epic Universe, but it's the most overstimulating. We're in Nintendo World, people. Look at this thing. It's crazy. As you can see, I inhaled my salad. The only thing I left out was those pieces of croutons. They have bread, of course, so I'm not eating any carbs or trying not to eat any carbs. Really good salad. Chicken was dry, but it's a cold chicken, usually on salad, so I'm not complaining. Really good. Bro, seeing Toad is insane. Like, I can see over Toad. One thing I will say about the Donkey Kong area, so cool, such a vibe. It's wild. There's a rhino behind me that's gonna come out soon, and a crazy bumpy ride as the roller coaster for Minecart Madness. The only thing that I will say is about Epic Universe is all the lands are very hot. Barely any coverage. That seat that my camera is sitting on is so hot, so that's why I'm standing. But look at this. This is insane. Crazy. So I've resorted to the only place that I know is chill, relax. It's Oaken Star Tavern. In a bit, I'm gonna show you guys how cozy, how relaxing, how chill it is here. It's right outside of Dark Universe, which again, I was gonna resort to Dark Universe, but I don't feel like sitting in a cave-looking restaurant with Dracula looking over my shoulder. Here, it's pretty chill. There's literally no one around me. I'm having a blast. I'm in the shade. It's Florida heat weather, so it's not like hot in the shade. It is a little humid, of course, but it's doable in the shade. I got my Coke Freestyle Cup. That's the only thing saving my life right now, because I'm fighting the heat in this long, thick essential shirt that I'm having a battle with. It's fun. I'm gonna conquer the day today by chilling, by relaxing. It's been fun. Look how peaceful it is. I can sit here and be fine. And then I can go all over here and sit here. Now there's people behind me in that glass, and they're probably looking at me like, what the heck is this guy doing? I don't know. I'm just kind of vibing. I'm just relaxing. I'm chilling. Or you can come in here and enjoy live music. There is a bar And this is the right side of Oaken Star. And this is the part that I like the most. There's just live music. You can just relax, sit in a booth, enjoy yourself. There's a Coke freestyle machine to my right. Kind of just vibing. So I've spent the entire day doing absolutely nothing, and I like it. Epic Universe has been amazing. Probably wondering why I haven't gone on any rides, because I did all of that yesterday. And I'm planning on doing it later today when it starts to get nice. So I've just been chilling out through the entire day. And yeah, look at this view. I'm not talking about myself, but look at this view. Insane. And that was the end of my chill day here at Epic Universe. It was amazing. My legs are fried. I might have a couple blisters that I need to take care of, but it's been a chill day. This was a slow video, something most of you guys probably didn't account for. But here we are. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff, and who knows, maybe I'll be back here again. Peace.